In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add social media icons to Wix. To get started, open your Wix editor so you are inside the page you want to customize. This is where you will add and arrange the social media icons so they match the look and layout of your site. Make sure you are on the correct page before you begin, especially if you want the icons to appear in a specific section like the home page, header, or footer. Once you are in the editor, go to the left side of the screen and look for the Add Elements icon, which appears as a plus sign. Click that to open the panel that contains all the design elements you can place on your site. This section is where Wix keeps tools for adding visual features, layout items, and interactive content. Inside the Add Elements panel, find and select the Social category. This is the section that includes ready-made social media display options, including social bars that are designed to help visitors quickly connect with your social profiles. Using this built-in option is one of the easiest ways to add social icons without needing any custom design work. From there, choose a social bar layout. Wix usually gives you both horizontal and vertical styles, so you can pick the one that best fits your website design. A horizontal bar works well in headers, footers, or wide sections of a page. A vertical bar can be a better fit for side areas or narrower spaces. Once you choose the layout you want, drag it onto your page and place it where you want the icons to appear. You can also drop the social bar directly into your header or footer if you want it to stay visible across more areas of your site. As you position it, take a moment to make sure the spacing looks clean and that the icons do not feel crowded. A well-placed social bar can make your website look more polished while also helping visitors find your social channels more easily. After placing the social bar, you can continue adjusting its position so it lines up nicely with the rest of your content. The main goal is to keep it visible, balanced, and easy to access. That covers everything you need to know.